Service Portal is a Now Platform feature with a configurable portal framework that enables you to easily create mobile-friendly self-service experiences for employees or customers. With Service Portal, developers and non-technical administrators can configure portals that drive user productivity and satisfaction. They can access and set up different portals, like the Employee Center portal and the Customer Support portal. Service Portal integrates with other tools like service catalogs, knowledge bases, and Virtual Agent to display the resources users need. Portals consist of 3 primary components: themes, pages, and widgets. Service Portal administrators can access configuration options like the Branding Editor, Designer, Page Editor, and Widget Editor. You can also create a new portal from the configuration page. Select Designer to create and lay out pages with drag-and-drop functionality. You can also preview pages as you make changes. The Service Portal Designer page displays all the existing pages, as well as the option to add a new page. Use the search bar to find existing pages. In this case, we'll search for the Employee Center homepage. You can configure the layout of the page and its widgets. Click a widget to view the delete or edit icons. Select the edit icon to make changes to the widget instance options. The available options vary depending on the widget. You can configure the instance options for any instance of a widget. In this case, we'll select the Number of Topics instance option drop-down menu and increase the number of topics to 12. The new topics are now displayed on the page. Back on the Service Portal configuration page, select Branding Editor to customize the portal's title, logo, theme, and colors. The Branding Editor page displays the selected portal, as well as the Quick Setup tab and Theme Colors tab. On the Quick Setup tab, edit the portal's title, logo padding, and tagline and background. Select the Theme Colors tab to edit navbar, brand, and text colors. You can change the theme colors and view those changes on the Theme Preview page. Use Widget Editor to create widgets or customize existing ones. You can use HTML templates, CSS client scripts, server scripts, or any JavaScript dependencies to define what a widget does. Widget instances get their logic from the base widget template, client scripts, server scripts, and CSS. The Widget Editor page displays recently updated widgets. Select the Edit an Existing Widget drop-down menu and select a widget from the list. The code editors for the parts of the widget are displayed. Base system widgets are read-only. Select the list icon, then Clone Announcements to create a clone from the base widget and make changes to the clone. The Clone Widgets pop-up will appear, and you can enter a name for the cloned widget. In the Widget drop-down menu, select the name of the new widget. The new widget's code editors appear. Now you can make changes to the cloned widget. End users can utilize portals depending on their needs, like accessing quick links, seeing active items, or selecting popular topics. In this case, Abel, an employee, is using the Employee Center portal and needs to know how to order a new mouse. They type mouse into the search bar to find all the results that exist in the knowledge bases and catalogs. AI Search suggests the Logitech wireless mouse catalog item. Abel selects the catalog item, verifies the quantity he needs, and clicks Order Now. The order confirmation window appears, and Abel selects Checkout to confirm their request. A summary of Abel's request shows the item they asked for and order details. Abel then navigates to My Requests to view a full list of their submitted requests. Using Service Portal, developers of all levels can create a high-quality portal experience that empowers users with self-service and connects them to the information and resources they need. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.